Hi folks, today is December the 31st. We're going to look at doing our final RevTrader Pro weekly review. If you guys recall, in the previous video we ended up taking a trade on December the 26th, and the reason we took that trade is because I decided to let the software run through Christmas week. Even though I knew there was going to be a light volume in the market, I decided to just let it run through. So we had to basically push our testing period until that trade closed, and as you guys can see up here, it closed today, which is December the 31st. So tomorrow's New Year's, obviously, and the market is closed on New Year's. And it's actually, I think, 7:40 right now. And I think the market closed around 6 o'clock today, so we haven't had any action. And that's the reason you guys see this little frowny face, because I've gone ahead and just shut the auto trading function off at the top of the screen. But let's get to business here. As you guys can see, we took 2 trades this week. Actually, closed 2 trades this week and only took 1. But that NZD trade was right here, and it closed right here. It's a great spot to close it. Basically, the software waited for it to come down and touch this level of support, and that's where it exited the trade for. So I'm still extremely impressed by how this software manages trades. And we can also look at AUD/USD, which is up here. Got into the trade here. The market moved sideways before dropping nicely. I think we made, how much did we make on this trade here? 25 or 30 pips, so a nice $50 win there, which pretty much offset our little loss of $76. So we ended up losing $26.40 today. Big thing to realize here is most people that I talked to did not take this trade because they shut down the software for the week of Christmas, like most sane people did, but I didn't, like I said. So most of you guys ended up starting the week with a beautiful winning trade up here in the AUD/USD pair, so congrats on that. And let's go ahead and check out the website real quick. Alright, we can go ahead and just click over to their, actually I think I already have their MyFX book account up here. Alright, so let's see what they did this week. 26, 31, 30, 30. Alright, it looks a little different, mainly because they looks like they had this withdrawal of $1,000 here. So that's why it looks a little different this week. But they had that same NZD/USD loss, as you guys can see here. And then they had several AUD/USD trades, and obviously they opened up a lot more trades than I did. Obviously they have a larger account, so they were able to do that, but that kind of offset that initial loss that they had, which pushed them up. Let's see what they did for the week, to 0.71%. So they're sitting nicely. As you guys can see here, this is basically what we want to keep up with. That's why we're making sure that we're taking all the same trades that they are. And obviously if I were to lower my lot sizes, I could basically do the same thing, have it where they open up more trades, but I'm doing okay right now, where I'm satisfied with my settings of 0.20 lot size. And that's what I have, just about everything set for 0.20. And I'm actually going to go in and show you guys my settings, because a lot of people have been asking me about that. But before I do that, I wanted to take you into the back office so you guys can see the brokers they recommend. And the reason I'm doing this is because, again, I've gotten a lot of questions about people asking me which brokers that they recommend, which brokers should they use. As you can see here, Synergy FX. This is an Australian broker. They don't accept US clients or American clients. And then the broker that I'm with, FX Choice, they do accept American clients, which is obviously the reason that I decided to go with them. And that's who you guys have been following me along with for the past 8.5 weeks. So if you're in the US, you can use FX Choice. If you're not in the US, you can use Synergy FX or FX Choice. So you have one more option, and that's basically where we stand with that. Next, I'm going to show you guys my money management settings. And the reason I'm going to do this is because, again, I've gotten a lot of questions about it here. So let's go into Expert Advisors, Properties, Alright, as you guys can see, under money management settings, all I really did was set this to false and then set my lot size to 0.2. And I did talk to the owners of the system, and this is what they told me that they have it set as well, and that's basically the reason I decided to do it, because again, I want to get the same results that they're getting on their website. So that's what we're looking at here. And I can also show you guys my trailing stop settings, because each one of the trailing stop settings is different for each pair we have here. For example, for GBP USD, 5 for the trailing stop start pips, and then 10, and then 7. And you guys will notice over here, see what it shows: 30, 5, and 11. And again, obviously you guys can pause this if you want to double check things. Trailing stop start pips is 25, 15, and 5 for Euro USD, and the last one NZD USD. See what we're looking at here: 20, 25, and 7.0. That was for NZD USD. And also, you guys are going to get all these settings. They actually give it to you once you guys go into the back office, so you'll definitely have all the information. But if you haven't got to that point, that's just giving you guys a little heads up to what they're going to be making available to you. Alright, the last thing I'm going to look at here, I want you guys to see what my return was. So let's bring up the Empire Ambition website, and we'll go ahead and click over to RevTrader Pro. You guys can do the exact same thing and just scroll down here past the intro, past everything. Alright, as you guys can see here, for my testing period I gained 16%, which is extremely good. I've tested several different EAs at this point, and this has been easily the most profitable EA that I have tested, bar none. So let me see here, hold on one second guys, my computer's acting like it wants to freeze. Alright, not sure what that was, but anyway, like I was saying, this has easily been the best EA that I've tested. Definitely recommend it, 2 thumbs up. So if you guys want more information on it, just click the link below, and that'll take you guys to the RevTrader Pro website, which is right here, and you'll be able to get all the information and details about the system itself. Anyway, that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this series of testing. Hopefully we'll have more in the future, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or a text on the EmpireAmbition.com website. I'm also available for Skype support. Not necessarily, I won't say support, but if you need help getting set up or anything like that, just shoot me a message on Skype, and we can use the screen share and we can get everything set up. Anyway, that's going to be it for now. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks and take care. Happy New Year.